Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyCatWif token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now. They have over a day left to go on this pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They are trending number 8 right now. There's another token trending number 1 also right now that I'm uploading a video on today as well called CATWIFHAT, and then this one doing very well, BabyCatWif. So check out both of these videos here. Ticker symbol for this token is BabyCatWif. It's on the Solana blockchain. These Sol meme coins, especially the cat ones, are very popular these days. This one has already sold over 372 Sol worth of tokens and still has a lot of time left. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything. Sorry, I got the hiccups, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So we are Binance's cat, the BabyCatWif. So BabyCatWif is the hottest meme cat in the world, ready to steal your heart and drawing attention with its upgraded BabyCatWif theme. This adorable meme coin on the Solana blockchain is here to create new heights in the meme world. The token's catchy name and vibrant community fuel its popularity, reflecting the playful spirit of meme culture in the cryptocurrency world. So, BabyCat is here. Adorable meme coin. It has unique cat characteristics. Discover an eclectic assortment of cat personalities, each with its own quirks and charms, from majestic Maine Coons to playful tabbies. There's a cat to captivate every heart. It's a community-first project that puts their community at the center of everything. Our dedicated team and passionate community members work together to build a vibrant and inclusive ecosystem. It says, put a hat on the cat. BabyCatWif. I guess there is I've seen this before. They have the hat generator. So basically you just like upload a picture of yourself and then you put the hat on it. I just play around with it on my own phone. I just downloaded the picture of the hat and then I just put that hat on any picture I want on my phone. And that's a pretty funny way to send pics to people or promote crypto projects or whatever you want to do. Dogs and cats war. So dogs dominate meme coins. Like, you know, we got Floki, Shiba, Saitama, Doge, you name it. So cats are here to take the leaderboard. Contract renounced, LP locked, fully audited, secure and transparent. So let's go over to PinkSale here. And it says on PinkSale, they do have a full audit. They were audited by CoinSalt. And you can check out the full audit there on PinkSale. They have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. And then they have the docs badge. So you can just click on that. That'll take you to a YouTube video where the team is doxed in a video. So that's cool as well. So it says, missed Doge with hat, cat with hat, and did you miss it? Book of memes? Don't miss this BabyCatWif. I'll also be uploading another video today. Check this one out called Book of Woof. And that is another big pre-sale going on PinkSale right now, and they've been trending in the top 10 as well. BabyCatWif right now is trending number 7. So audit, KYC, docs, no private sale, LP burned, contract renounced. It says $1 billion market cap roadmap, potentially, of course. AAA marketing team, OG marketers, and no tax for if you get this off a decentralized exchange. DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Moontalk, AveDex Trending, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap Fast Track, Sol Bots Trending at launch, and central exchange listings are confirmed. Lots of marketing 24/7, shilling, TikTok, Facebook, and IG ads as well. So public pre-sale, you don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. 274 people have contributed and invested in this pre-sale so far, and they still have a lot of time left. They've sold over 172 SOL worth of tokens, which is equivalent to over $67.1 thousand. So 9 decimal places on this token. They have a total supply of 500 million tokens. 20 SOL was the soft cap for this pre-sale, and there is no hard cap. So pre-sale is basically just going to continue until time runs out. And time is over for this pre-sale at exactly April 10th, 18 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to RAYDIUM for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with SOL, going into the dApps, finding RAYDIUM, and then trading your SOL for the BabyCatWif token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, BabyCatWifHat.meme. Now, you may have to set slippage. Actually, it says 0% taxes, so you won't have to set slippage, most likely. Maybe 1% at the most. And liquidity will be locked on RAYDIUM, it says, for 180 days. On their webpage, you can find social links, pink sale link, DEX view chart for when the token goes live on RAYDIUM. You'll be able to see the DEX Tools chart, DEX Screener chart, Bird Eye. You'll be able to see the chart all over the place. There's a buy now button right on their webpage as well. And yeah, it looks like they are going to have some central exchange listings, because how the token is split up, we got 60% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 25% going to liquidity, 5% central exchange listing number 1, and 10% central exchange listing number 2. Then we also have here a Telegram at BabyCatWif Sol that has 1,599 members. 253 of them are online. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project and talk to other community members about the project, hear what they have to say, you know, like ask them questions. What do they think about the token? You know, if you want to see if other people think it's safe, things like that. It's a good idea to ask other people's experiences. Also, you can see lots of updates right here on this Twitter, right on the screen at BabyCatWif Sol. And this Twitter right here has a link to their Telegram webpage. All the links are basically right here on their pinned tweet too as well. They have a link to their pink sale page. So you can find all the links right there on that Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.